Today I've got this big old beaten up Yale. This has certainly been round the block once or twice. It's a decent size lock. In fact, it's 65mm wide. It's quite heavy. It's got a brass shackle, so it's a pretty cool lock. It's beaten up and it's had an hard life. And unfortunately, I haven't got a key for it. It's got RS on the bottom, and you can just work out it's got made in England on the shackle. So let's pick it open. I'm going to use an homemade tension tool, and I'm going to use this pick. I thought I'd use this pick because it looks as old as the padlock now. It's kind of made out of an hacksaw blade, which is starting to bow, and the brass what I put on the handle is starting to go green. So yeah, it's the ideal pick for this lock. Let's see if we can get into it then. Now these old Yales sometimes can give you a bit of a run for your money. A decent old locks to pick. Let's see how we get on with it. Now the camera's rolling. Using medium tension. It's a little fighter, this one, or I should say a big fighter. It's a big old lock. In fact, if I don't get it open soon, I'll start getting cramp in my hand. It's almost there. He says, famous last words. I'm sort of crisscrossing the pick when I'm picking it, because it's an half diamond. Instead of actually going straight on the pins, I'm sort of coming in at diagonal angles. I did say these old Yales can put up a fight, but yeah, what I call old lock. Sham ain't got a key for it. I know you can actually drill out these little brass rivets in there, and then the bottom pulls out, and you probably could make a key to fit it. I might do that at some stage. I've taken one of these apart in the past on a previous video. I'll put a link to that in the description below. But anyway, that's it for today. That's a nice big old Yale picked open. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try a bit.